What's good guys, my name is Nazri, head trading coach here at Elementary FX, and I just want to welcome you to today's episode of Daily Market Analysis. It is Thursday the 6th of April, and for today we'll be looking at the pound dollar on the 60-minute chart. Like our previous videos, today we'll also be looking at a potential pattern setting up, and for today we'll be looking at a potential bullish Gartley pattern completion. So this is the analysis behind a potential bullish Gartley pattern. We have our X to A leg, also known as the impulse leg because it is the longest leg of the pattern. Next, after the X to A leg, we have our A to B leg, and our A to B leg typically comes in around the 618 level. However, you can see that price slightly pushed down the 618 level, but if you know the Gartley pattern, you'll know that the rules state that price can push down past the 618, however, it cannot touch or pass the 786 level, and in this case we passed the 618, however we did not touch the 786. Therefore, this leg is a valid leg. So we have our A to B leg right here. Our next leg would be the B to C leg, and the B to C leg would be typically a 382 to 618 retracement, and as you can see we are very nicely below the 618, so this would be a valid B to C leg. For our D completion, typically we use this leg right here, A to B leg. We use our A to B leg and we use an extension of that leg, which will give us a 1.272 extension. So if we have an extension of this, swing high to swing low, back up to swing high, we have our D completion right here. This gives us a zone for entry, and if price were to come down into that zone, I would be looking to buy the pair. So if you want more confluence in that, the most important thing to look at will always be structure. So if we were to draw a line on that 127 extension level, we can see that price has acted as support here. If we scroll left, you can see that price has acted, this zone has acted as resistance. And more to the left, we can see support, some consolidation here, more support here. And this seems to be a very good zone for entry because price has respected and rejected this area many times previously before. So if I were to draw it out for you, this would be how the pattern would look like. X to A, we have our X to A right here, A to B, our B to C, and CD completion coming right in here. So if price can come down here, I would be looking to buy. One thing I would take note of is that we have our NFP on Friday, non-farm payrolls, and as you know, non-farm payrolls has been known to cause some volatility in the market. So if the market reaches this zone before NFP, I would possibly wait for the news to settle before I enter this trade, because as you know, here at Elementary FX we trade technicals and we trade patterns, but we don't trade fundamentals. That means we don't trade any news releases, and we try to stay out of markets anytime any important news comes out. So this has been the analysis on the pound dollar. I want to thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.